5 feet from him, I can say safety kill or silent kill or whatever. But like you were about here from him, that wouldn't be a safety. You just have to shoot him directly. All right, so just huddle up again, guys.
I was like,
Oh, okay, all right.
I get paid to watch people shoot each other, and sometimes I get shot.
Can I apply for that?
Huh?
Can I apply for that?
Yeah, you can actually.
Oh, sick.
All right, everybody heads down, eyes closed. Remember, 1 tap is sheriff, 2 tap is marshal. Right?
What? Wait, what? Back
1 is
what?
sheriff, 2 is terrorist. My bad, I'm sorry.
Sheriff and marshal, I like it.
All right, marshal and terrorist have been picked. Marshal, you may reveal yourself. Remember, 1 tap is marshal, 2 is terrorist. If you have been tapped twice, your objective is to kill the civilians.
He's the sheriff. The sheriff and the terrorist.
The round has started.
I'm going over here.
This is pretty normal for pub stuff. It usually just turns into somebody either shooting everybody as soon as the game starts, or just nothing at all.
That's what I was waiting for
Wait,
the
if you're
first time.
civilian, you can't shoot anybody, right?
Not until you're shot at, yeah. So if you get shot at, you can shoot other people.
If you're the terrorist, you can just waste people as soon as the game starts.
Pretty much, yeah. But, I mean, there's also a chance as soon as you point your gun up and start pulling the trigger, the guy next to you is going to shoot you. All right, everybody, huddle up, huddle up.
And this, if you see somebody getting shot, you can't do anything.
Make me the terrorist
You
right
can only
now, I
shoot in
dare you.
self-defense.
Okay.
Make me the terrorist right now, I dare you.
No. I mean, here's the thing though, with grenades, if you've got that grenade primed and ready to go and then you get shot, you can drop it. If anyone's within 5 feet, they're dead, even if you're already dead.
Is that a normal game?
He was suicide
That
bombing
would
himself
be
anyway.
for anything.
Yo,
Because
for
that
real.
grenade's primed and ready to go. If you're a dead man, you're not holding a
You got a
grenade,
fucking
you drop
IED
it,
over
right?
there.
So if
So
somebody
wait, if I'm playing on the field, I have a grenade primed, like normal play. I can just drop it when I die.
yeah.
I don't know
March
that.
it
I've
on.
been doing that.
That's, you can,
March it
if
on.
it is primed and ready to go, you just say, I'm dead, I can't hold grenades, you drop it.
Good to know for when next time I go.
Yeah.
That goes for any game?
Yeah, pretty much. Who should I?
Are you guys trying to make like
okay.
the Activision sign?
Look, yeah. All right, close eyes.
All right, the marshal and terrorist have been picked. Marshal, you may reveal yourself. Event.
Right in the throat. Yeah, I got hit in the throat. Oh.
Shoot everybody.
9:59.
One more.
Sure, fine.
Get 2 more in a minute.
Find that grenade, we can get
I'm sorry.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay.
Marshal and terrorist have been picked. Marshal, you may reveal yourself.
He's acting a little suspicious over there. Sounds like something HPA. Ooh. What?
Are you hit?
Yeah.
I'm gonna ask you a question, right?
What?
I'm the marshal. I can ask you a question, right?
Yeah.
What kind of pants are you wearing?
Huh?
What kind of pants is he wearing?
Jeez. Oh, and it sounds like he's dead.
Huh?
He's dead.
All right, thank you.
You were hitting me or hitting my wood? Because I just heard something hitting me.
All right, guys, that is game over. It is